Other parts of the state bracing for heavy rain as we continue to track a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico. Red flag warnings in effect for rough surf in Galveston, which is just south of Houston. We are also tracking wildfires and extreme heat across the country as we bring in meteorologist Mario Ruiz. It's not technically summer yet. We got a few more days, but for a lot of folks, they are really feeling it.
Yeah, and a lot of chatter on social media saying the 90s, this is normal for areas like the Northeast. But it's so early in the season, and let me show you what's happening on our charts. So what we have is that ridge of high pressure on the right hand of your screen. That's the heat dome that you'll likely hear a lot about here in the days to come. That's actually going to strengthen as it pushes a bit more and centers itself across the Northeast. This is the same type of system that brings us the heat in the summertime as well. It's high pressure, it's sinking air, and that air compresses as it sinks, and that's really what warms things up. Right underneath that high is where you see all of the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings that extend several states. Now, I showed you this in the last hour, but several locations getting into the mid-90s. Pittsburgh on a streak of 5 record-breaking heat days. Chicago yesterday saw a record heat day. Now, areas like Pittsburgh, areas like Boston, seeing these kind of temperatures about a month or two earlier than what's normal in any given summertime. Now, something else that we're watching is strong to severe storms across areas of the northern plains. Fire danger continues across areas of California. In fact, we were telling you about those wildfires in California just outside of Los Angeles. Air quality going to be a major concern. Anywhere from moderate to unhealthy air quality from Los Angeles to San Diego. Unfortunately, because of how their weather is set up, generally the air quality doesn't improve for days after the wildfires get all over and done with. So a few days of this left, Cleo.